Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the clock app or a clock design app and creating a new project. This gets your canvas and mechanics ready. Once done, set orientation and canvas size so the clock face fits the iPad screen without cropping, and make sure you have an Apple Pencil or clean finger for precision. You're preparing the workspace and basic parameters now because accurate placement of hands and markers saves time later when you add motion or interactivity. Now you'll design the clock face. Draw or import a perfect circle and use center guides to align everything. This ensures balance and readable time. Then add hour and minute markers, spacing them evenly. Use snapping or rotation tools to keep consistency. Once markers are set, layer numbers, textures, and any decorative elements. Grouping layers helps you move sets without losing alignment. This step creates the visual foundation that the hands and interactions will rely on. Finish by creating separate hour, minute, and second hand layers, and set each pivot at the exact center so rotation looks natural. Misaligned pivots cause wobbly motion. Then animate rotation manually or connect to real-time data if the app supports it, making sure durations and easing give accurate movement. When done, export or save in the correct format and test on screen. If hands drift or misalign, check pivot points and layer transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.